And here's Booker T, controlling the tempo. Fighting from a position of full health here. He's falling out of it.
Man, Chris Jericho, what offense!
Man, oh man, did he take a wild swing with that one.
Right, that was wild indeed. Good thing we're over here. We'll have our third competitor momentarily.
Aiden English looking to make a name for himself here tonight.
Well, this guy's got a bright future, Cole.
Collar and elbow tie-up here.
Oh, this is critical for a competitor in establishing themselves in the match. Oh, a serious knockout blow. The career of Chris Jericho has literally spanned the globe. Jericho trained in the famous Hart Dungeon in Calgary, Canada. He competed in Mexico, Japan, Smoky Mountain, ECW, and WCW, all before coming to WWE. And in WWE, well, Jericho has done it all, including being the first ever undisputed WWE champion. What a battle, what a great Royal Rumble. Who's going to be the next superstar to enter this thing?
And now Sting walks in on the action.
Yeah, the Stinger still got it, Cole. One of the greatest superstars of...
And there goes Booker's chances.
Man, that's a tough break for Booker, Michael. Michael, you should know by now that I don't mince words. Like I said before, Jericho has done it all in this industry. Hey, I wouldn't be surprised if one day he finagles his way into a Divas title reign.
Wow, that was a wild strike. Talk about missing the target.
Yeah, it looked like it was completely out of desperation. He's got him.
Oh, he missed that one. God, that's gone first.
Yeah, you're not doing any damage with swings like that, but keep doing it. The breeze may give him a goal.
Another superstar is joining in.
Oh, the more the merrier, I always say. Entry number 5. Who's it going to be?
Oh, he couldn't find a home for that one.
Well, it certainly wasn't due to a lack of trying, Michael.
Wow, that was a wild strike. Talk about missing the target.
Yeah, it looked like it was completely out of desperation. What's he going to do here? What's he going to do here? Oh, my gosh. Jumps right on the back of the head. Jericho looking for something.
Oh, he's coming back in. Aiden English making a move.
Whoa! There goes Jimmy Uso. Oh, out of nowhere. It's almost time for the next competitor.
Is it time already? That was fast.
Well, here comes many people pick to win this thing.
Aiden English has been eliminated.
Hey, thanks for coming, Aiden. Man, Chris Jericho, what offense!
Man, oh man, did he take a wild swing with that one.
Right, that was wild indeed. Good thing we're over here.
Crushing blow.
And he's still in this.
Oh, he couldn't find a home for that one.
Well, it certainly wasn't due to a lack of trying, Michael. And that shot was dialed in.
Who's going to be the next man to enter the Royal Rumble match? Here comes another superstar.
Oh, man, I hope they reinforce the ring for this one. Jericho doesn't let up.
The human body can only absorb so much of that.
He's got him hooked.
Look out! Oh, he's coming back in.
Whoa! Hideo Itami goes down.
Uh-oh. Look out! Going toe-to-toe here.
It's almost time for the next competitor.
Hideo Itami showing us how to get it done. And the clock hits 0. Here comes another superstar.
Oh, wow, this changes everything.
Wow, what a move from Kalisto. That's how you make this crowd stand on its feet.
Uh-oh.
And Sting's night is over.
Oh, Sting's been stung. Oh, looking to make a statement here.
Oh, there's the low parking lot.
Man, that didn't hurt.
God, there was nothing accurate about that attempted offense.
Oh, you're being too kind. Some people would use other words to describe what we just witnessed.
I think we're about to see a high-risk move from the top rope.
I think you're right, Cole. This should be good.
He's falling out of it. In full control.
What a Royal Rumble this has been. Action fan, look at this thing.
Incredible. Is it time already? That was fast.
Well, here comes many people's pick to win this thing. How impressive was that? He's still not through.
For coming, Lord Steven Regal.
Yeah, and don't let the door hit you in the butt on the way out.
Kalisto scaling the ropes. Tyler Breeze is...
He takes to the air.
Wow! Yeah, that was a costly misstep.
Tyler Breeze taking advantage right now.
We're looking at complete domination here. Look out for Santino Marella.
Well, I hope he brought his Cobra. He's going to need it. Oh, who's coming out next?
Whoa, and a bit of a test of strength here.
I love it. This is a good old-fashioned battle of power versus power. Santino's got him.
Look out.
Wow, Jericho's out. It all began in 2007 with Santino, and we're down to the final 3 competitors. Oh, wow.
We're in the feeling out process. Who's going to get the advantage?
There goes Santino. What a win. Man, he's got to feel great.
Here's your winner, representing the Lucha Dragon, Kalisto.
What a grueling victory here in this elimination match.
You know, without a doubt, he is among the most dominant guys on the WWE roster right now.
As we close the book on this match, I need to remind everybody just how big of a win this was. Simply amazing.